Hey, Lyman here with Jones Complete Car Care in Taylorsville. A common misconception is that a battery only will go bad in the winter time. But the facts is batteries can take a hit with the heat as much as the cold. So you can come in here, we will do a free battery and charging system test for you, check the health of your battery, your alternator, your starter, and we'll do that free of charge for you just to make sure that you're not going to be stuck out in the middle of nowhere with a dead battery or a starter or an alternator that's not recharging that battery and keeping that system healthy as possible. Most cars anymore are very electrically sensitive between cooling fans, blower motors, the air conditioning system. All those items can be affected by the health of your battery and charging system. So come on down to Taylorsville at Jones Complete Car Care and we'll get your charging system health checked out for you free of charge and make sure you're good to go for the summer.